Now we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 161. We've got another retouching tool. It's called the Spot Healing Brush. So here's the healing brush again. That's what we've used in earlier tutorials. You hold Alt and then you left click to create a reference point. Then you go over what you want to get rid of. And the reference point is then blend with the area that you paint over. This works quite well in this case. But let me get back to the original. I copy it, press Ctrl J. And now I use the Spot Healing Brush. It's in the same toolbox, so J is the short key. Let me size that a bit up. And here you don't have to set a reference point, so you don't have to hold Alt and left click. You can simply paint over these areas. And then Photoshop tries to blend it with the surrounding, you could say. And this is usually enough for most skin retouching tasks. See that here the birthmarks, we could easily remove them. Let me show you a more extreme case. Ctrl J yet again to copy it. And we use the Spot Healing Brush. And just left click drag. And we can improve the acne here almost flawlessly and still looks natural. So I think this is a great tool, gives you good results, and as I've said, still looks natural. One more thing to add though, we have 3 different modes. They're called types up here in the top menu. We can use content aware, create texture, and proximity match. Content aware is usually what you need, especially here in this case, where we try to improve the skin. Let me show you the other two. Create texture. This is going to blur it massively out. So let me do that up here. You can see that this doesn't really work on skin that well. Proximity match, let me go to the chin. It's certainly better than the texture, but still I would stick to content aware. That gives you usually the best results. And then simply adjust the size to your needs, left click drag, and invest a little bit of time. And this is the Spot Healing Brush tool in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.